Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust your display timeout and sleep timer for Dell XPS laptop. To do this, let's launch our start and then move to the settings. Here we want to go for the system, power and battery. Then there's a screen and sleep tab. You'll be able to adjust the screen sleep time on battery when your screen will turn off after a certain amount of time that you can choose right here when plugged in, and on battery power for the sleep time and when plugged in as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.